All right, kindergarten, we are in our reader's notebook on page 3, and we're going to do 2 pages today. So we're going to work on page 3 and 4. So once you're open to page 3, write your name at the top, as always. So I'm going to get my pen, and I will write my name at the top. Well, a little bit of my name, right? Capital M, because everyone's name starts with a capital. Not capital M, but everyone's name starts with a capital. And then after you write your name, we're going to go down to the blue box, the one with the pencil on it, and we are going to trace the gray letters first. So capital I has a straight line down, cross over, and then for little I, it's one line down and dot it. All right, let's try one on our own. So make a long line down, then go back up top and go make a short line across and another down below. Down below. Little I. Straight down for small I. And then you stop. Now put a dot right on top. Let's do the same thing on the next gray eyes. Then write your own. Next on the this I, and then write your own right next to it. All right, after you've done that, let's look at the bottom. Well, before we do that, does anyone remember this? What's his name for I on the alpha friend? Iggy the iguana. Good job. We are going to then look at these pictures. We're going to name the pictures, and if it has an I in the beginning, middle, or end, we are going to put an I on the line next to the ones whose names contain the short I sound. And short I sound is I, right? I, dot it, I. I want you to write the upper and lowercase so that you can easily read it. We're going to go left to right and then go on bottom. So what is this? It's a goat. Goat. Does goat have an I sound in it? No, it doesn't. Not an I, but X. Ship. All right, kindergarten, this is a ship. Ship. Do you hear the I sound? Yes, we do. Let's write a capital I and a lowercase I next to that picture. Line down and dot it. Next, I see a car. K-R. Does car have the I sound? It does not. So we will put an X on it and not put an I. How about pin? P-I-N. Do we hear the I sound? Yes, we hear it in the beginning, middle, or end. We hear it in the middle. So put an I, capital I, lowercase I. Good. All right. Next, that is a fish. Ish. Do you hear the I sound? I. Right? I hear it in the middle too. So put a capital I and a lowercase I. All right. Next and last one, we see lips. Lips. Do you hear the I sound? I do. I hear it in the middle. So go ahead and put a capital I, lowercase I. How many I's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for these pictures. All right, kindergarten, let's go to the next page. Okay, on page 4, make sure you put your name at the top. Thank you. And after you put your name at the top, let's look at these pictures. I see a pin. P-in. And this word is what? P-a-n. Pan. And this one is P-in. Pin. So which one do we need to circle? This one. So go ahead and circle it. All right, let's read these words first before we pick which one. T-im. Tim. P-am. Pam. Is this like a Tim or a Pam? I think so too. Let's go ahead and circle it. N-ap. Nap. S-it. Sit. nap and sit. Which one is happening in this picture? Maybe both, right? You can sit and nap at the same time, but I think we need to look for the I sound, so let's pick sit. 4, let's read it. At, mat, ip, tip. What is the arrow pointing to? The tip of the pencil, right? So I think this is the one we should circle, tip. All right, kindergarten, we are finished with both pages in your reader's notebook. So go ahead and put a bookmark in it so you can find it easily next time we use it, and put it away.